Snap-on tool storage, moving sale, downsizing, time to get rid of my precious boxes. Anyway, these two are just in absolute mint condition. Absolutely mint condition. The top box here, this opens up. Oops, this opens up, and you can just see that's just brand spanking like new. I've had it, I've stored like my pool stick and some extension cords and maybe some kids games in it, but it's never had any greasy tools in it. Everything's brand new. Here you can see that everything's got drawer liners, and everything's in just perfect shape on these two boxes. Not a dent anywhere. Just beautiful. So as you can see, I've got them posted for sale. It's a cash sale, and I have to make arrangements to come get it. I'm in Horseshoe Bend, Arkansas, and first come, first serve. The retail price on these two boxes is just a little over $9,000, and I'm discounting it way more than 50%. So if you're a tool professional and need some storage, this is the place to come.